Stop! Before you wrap your next meal, you need to hear this. Could the aluminum foil in your kitchen be poisoning you and your family? You use it to cook, grill, and store leftovers. But is this convenience secretly raising your risk for Alzheimer's? Is it damaging your bones? Could cooking red meat with foil spike toxic aluminum in your food by nearly 400%? The truth isn't simple. When does foil turn from convenience to contaminant? Do you know the two types of food that pull the most aluminum into your dinner? You might be doing this every day. Stay tuned. In the next 90 seconds, we'll show you 3 simple swaps to keep you safe. The concern is legitimate. When foil touches food, especially during cooking, small amounts of aluminum can leach into your meal. This is a scientific fact, not a theory. This process goes into overdrive under 2 conditions. First, high heat. The hotter the temperature, the more is transferred. Second, and most importantly, acidic or salty foods like tomatoes, citrus, vinegar, or heavily salted dishes. These ingredients act like magnets, significantly increasing aluminum transfer. Studies found cooking red meat in foil increased its aluminum content by up to 378%. But how much is too much? Excessive aluminum exposure can accumulate in your body, specifically in organs and tissues. Research links high aluminum levels to neurological problems like Alzheimer's and various bone disorders. The scientific community is split. The World Health Organization sets a tolerable limit of about 70 milligrams per week for an average adult, and healthy kidneys flush it out. However, this limit doesn't account for cumulative exposure from other sources like by general processed foods, cosmetics, and medications. If you or someone you know has kidney issues, or for children whose systems are developing, minimizing exposure is critical. So, what do? Don't panic. Here are 3 simple swaps. 1. Avoid cooking acidic or salty foods directly in foil. Instead, use parchment paper or silicone mats as a barrier. 2. Choose alternative cookware like glass, stainless steel, or ceramic for high heat roasting. 3. Store all your acidic leftovers in glass containers. Never foil. These small changes add up to big peace of mind, while the definitive verdict is still out. Taking proactive steps is the most prudent approach for better health. If you found this information eye-opening, please share this video with a friend who cooks and subscribe for more eye-opening videos. Let us know in the comments what kitchen health secret we should tackle next. Thank you, and stay safe.